Welcome back to Jero Production. This is Björn, my name is Jens, and today we want to talk about our KoJig. Björn, what is a KoJig?
With a KoJig you can refill Kodak cartridges from the series of 10 and 30.
Okay, and can you explain how it works?
What we do is creating a vacuum in the cartridge, and then we let the ink flow into.
Okay, and anything else to prepare the cartridges in front?
Yes, it is strongly recommended that the cartridges have to be very dry, because the sponges in the cartridge of Kodak are hydrophobic.
Okay.
So if they contain any fluid before you refill, then the ink will leak out after you have refilled the cartridge.
Yeah. So for you as a customer, so the cartridge has to flush with some cleaning fluid, centrifuge, and let them dry out. So if you want to make this faster, put the cartridges in an oven by 50 degrees for 1.5 hours, and after them let them for 24 hours stay before you refill. Okay, Björn, can you explain by a black one?
Yes, of course. You have to open the KoJig, then we have the bottom seal and the top seal, and special inserts. In this case we need the insert for the black one. You have to insert this on the bottom. Then you take your cartridge, place it into the jig, close the cap, and then you can start.
Björn, just one question. So if I see, how do you put the cartridge in the jig? So you get in the direction in front and press it down. Why is this recommended?
The Kodak cartridges have a ventilation slot that goes around the edge.
Okay.
And to seal it correctly, we have produced this special seal on the bottom, which goes over an angle, and then we press the cartridge against this angle to seal the ventilation slot.
For you as an user, it's absolutely important that you put the cartridge in this way, in front and then down. Not only down, as you know, by other refill jigs that we create. So press in front, press down. Okay, yeah.
Okay. Close the cap, close the quick clamp, and then you get your dedicated ink in the right amount. Fix the syringe onto the channel you want to refill, and then create a vacuum and let the ink flow in. Repeat this until the right amount of ink is filled in.
Okay. That's it?
That's it.
Oh. And can you explain what is the scope of delivery by this jig?
Yeah, the scope of delivery at this jig is the KoJig itself.
Yeah.
Then you get the top seal and the bottom seal.
Yeah.
2 inserts for black and colored cartridges.
Yeah.
Also a distance plate, a special upgrade of 1 mm, because the Kodak cartridges have a tolerance of about 1 mm in the height.
Okay.
And so you have to place it into the jig also. And what you also get is five syringes.
Okay. And you have refilled this cartridge. Can you show us if there is any leaking after the refilling?
Yeah, after the refill you can release the syringe and get the cartridge out of the jig, and you see there's no leakage.
Okay, that's quite fine. Well, thank you very much, Björn.
You're welcome,
Jens. Thank you for watching Jero Productions. See you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.